Hi everyone. If you are a agency owner or run a small business, freelancer, affiliate marketer, or every day you are doing same thing like follow up, searching on Google, researching competitors, opening website, logging in account, filling forms, posting on social media, and copying leads, collecting data, probably it takes 2 and 3 hours, even maybe 5 to 6 hours every single day. Today I'm talking about an amazing product, BrowserAgent AI. It is not just another AI tool that simply write your content, answer your question, right? It's one step ahead, guys. AI tool can go into your browser, click button, scroll through pages, copy data, and complete whatever task you assign to it. Okay, no matter what kind of work you are doing, it gets the job done. So guys, now let's talk about features of this product. Okay, um, there are tons of template and features inside this platform. Okay, so just click on template. Okay, and now you can see tons of templates. First, Google Maps lead scraper, scrap business listing from Google Map with contact details, rating and hours. LinkedIn profile researcher. Okay, and Facebook group member extractor, real estate listing scraper. Okay, you can see on my screen. Google business profile reviewer extractor, Instagram hashtag researcher, and you can see Twitter and engagement bot. Okay, so now you can see, guys, TripAdvisor hotel and restaurant scraper. Okay, tons of template here. So you can see here also, um, you can personalize cold email drafter template. Okay, so tons of templates here you can use for your business, uh, for your agency business, and collect data, uh, provide service your clients, and make good amount of money. So guys, another feature that I really like, this mission scheduling. Okay, you can create mission or go to the template, and uh, whatever you task choose. Just example, I'm going to Google Maps lead scraper. Okay, choose the first one. Okay, after clicking, if you want to collect a scrap data or a scrap leads from Google Maps, so you can use this template. Okay, so you can write business type roofers and city Orlando, and count, like just write 10. Okay, just write 10, and after complete this, you can write whatever you task. So you can write here, after collecting this, after collecting this data, um, put in your spreadsheet or Excel sheet. Okay, so you can use this. The best feature I like is scheduling this mission. Okay, you can schedule your tasks to run automatically at a specific time, whether it's daily, weekly, or just once. Okay, so simply you can set it up once, and the AI will take care of the rest while you focus on growing your business. Okay, so you can set daily time, and when task is done, it's notify you. And after this, run mission now. Click, and wait for a minute, and the AI isn't start working. You can see right on the screen. Okay, so it takes some few minutes, guys. Okay, so you can see on my screen, after few seconds, the agent AI collect leads from Google Maps. You can download. Okay, so this feature is really helpful. uh, just you have to set once, and it's work daily or weekly according to your need. So guys, if you are an agency owner, small business owner, freelancer, affiliate marketer want to use this AI tool for your business, there is some great news for you guys. The best part is that this AI tool comes with 14 days money back guarantee. You can see here on my screen. Okay, 14 days money back guarantee. And if you don't like the product, you can request a full refund within 14 days. Okay, the another best part guys, you don't have to worry about monthly subscription or recurring payment. You can one time investment, no monthly fees. Okay, pay once and use this product for the lifetime guys. Okay, if you are serious about getting this product, I have added my link in the description below. When you buy through my link, you will get my special ebook completely free guys. How to make $500 in 7 days blueprint. I created this ebook after trying many different methods and strategy myself. It is designed for everyone guys. If you are an agency owner, if you are a affiliate marketer, or if you are a freelancer, you can use this ebook and generate $500 in first week. Okay, the regular price of my ebook is $97, but if you purchase through my link, you will get it absolutely free as a bonus guys. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video guys.